We're going to show how to create a beautiful Valentine card using Appy pie design. Once you're on the home page, scroll down a little where you'll find a range of Valentine's Day cards templates to get you started. Click on View All, and you'll be taken to the dashboard of our AI Valentine Day Cards Maker page. You can choose a template that captures your heart or start from scratch if you're feeling creative. All you have to do is write a prompt with all the details that you're looking for and click on Generate. First, sign up to Appy Pie Design to create an account. If you're already a member, there's no need to sign up again. Simply sign in to get started. Once you sign in with your account, you'll get your Valentine Day card based on your written prompt. Now, the fun part begins. Personalize your card by adding your choice of background. Click on the Text tool to add words of love and appreciation. You can adjust the font, size, and color to match your style. Once you're happy with your creation, click on the Download button to save your Valentine's Day card. You can choose different formats, and there you have it. A personalized Valentine's Day card created with love and Appy Pie design.